Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you access home router and device from outside network. To access home router and device from outside network, you could follow these steps. So here's what you need to do is you need to head out to a cloudflared.com, click on sign up. Here you'll find more details on how to set up a Cloudflare account. So you just have to make sure to go and click on it and create your account. Once you created the account, add a new site. So what you need to do is put your domain and get this name started. Get this name server from the Cloudflare and update it in your domain register. Cloudflare account is ready. So you go ahead and click on it, then navigate. Go to tunnel from a left side panel. So once you do it, so what next you have to do is you just have to make sure to give a unique name to your Cloudflare Zero Trust account and tap on the next button. Now it's time to set up a Cloudflare tunnel. Once you're done with the payment and enable the Zero Trust account, again navigate to access, then go to tunnel, and let's create our first tunnel by giving a name to the tunnel itself. You will move to a tunnel configuration page. As I told you, you could pretty much install this anywhere. So I'm going to use the version, and once you've actually done it, so what next, then you will move to a tunnel configuration page. As I told you, you could pretty much install this anywhere. Install the configure daemon. So after which it's time for you to test. Now this is how it works. I hope. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.